Hey folks, I'm gonna do a review today. It's for something I recently tried, and I looked for reviews on YouTube for this, and I couldn't find any for this particular version of the Cracker Barrel macaroni and cheese sharp cheddar. Now these are the single serving small ones. This is what is it? Yeah. Okay, this is the 2.39 ounce. I saw some other reviews for the larger, I guess they make a larger one, but this is like a small single serving that you put in the microwave. Because I was really interested in trying to find things like this for taking to work, of course. And I like Cracker Barrel macaroni and cheese, so I thought, what the heck, I'll give it a try. So, 3.5 minutes in the microwave, just add water. Now, you have to take that top completely off and shake off all of the, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like flour or cornstarch in there, and that helps to thicken this to make it, a thicker, creamier sauce. But the real thing that I was concerned, this is a real cheese packet. You add this after the macaroni has been cooked, but this isn't a powder. It's actually the cheese sauce that you put in there, mix, let it sit for about a minute, and then enjoy your mac and cheese. So I'm going to take this and this into the kitchen. I'm going to microwave it for 3.5 minutes, and then I'll be back here and show you the results. So stay tuned. Okay, it's been 3.5 minutes. So let's add our cheese sauce. Let's see, I don't recall there being an easy way to open this. So we'll go this route. There we go. So I want to make sure you see this. It's actually, it's a cheese sauce, not a powder. I thought about doing a comparison video to try to find, compare this against the Kraft macaroni and cheese and Velveeta and blah. And I'm like, no, there's no comparison. I think Velveeta actually uses the cheese sauce packet as well. So just giving it a good stir. Macaroni is really, it's hot, that's for sure. It mixes quite thoroughly, quite well. I'm just going to let this stand for about a minute. Let that thicken up. It'll thicken up on standing. So give it about a minute. Okay, I think we're done. So it definitely looks good. I give it that for an instant microwave single serving. Let's give it a taste here. That is really good. Like I said, there's no comparison to this to the other ones. Yeah, hands down, I think this is the winner. The Cracker Barrel macaroni and cheese sharp cheddar. And the one thing I noticed with this is they didn't sell it individually. Like the Velveeta shells and cheese, the Kraft, and there's the Annie's Organic. You could buy those individually. Like you could buy one for like I don't know, it was like $1.99 or something like that. But these were only sold. It might just be my store. I'm not sure. But these were only sold in a pack of 4, and it was like $6 and some change. So, it was less than $2 for her, and I think it's definitely worth it. So I'm going to finish eating this, and thank you all for watching.